6 minutes before we get to our destination, you guys. Just the update. Look, it's still a little dark outside, but I'm sorry you guys can't see me much. But I will do the vlog again when we get to, my husband has to go through the scale and all of that, you know. But I'll show you guys, okay? So I'm gonna stop this again and I'll get back to you. We're turning exit 143 to get to our destination, you guys. Another update. Sorry if it's shaky because I'm holding only my camera. This is just a test, you guys. Next time, I'll make it better. I just have to buy the, you know, the phone holder because I don't have it here in the truck. And I can't even sit on the front because my two dogs are scared. I can't.
Can't even see out the window.
I will when I get there, when you stop. We're gonna sit on the front when my husband stopped the truck, you know, for scale or something, so that I can show you guys more how it looked like. We don't have to upload, upload the truck or download the truck. They're the one, the company wherever deliver it, they're the one who, they have the people to unload it. We just sit on the truck, but my husband has to go there in the office, you know, to turn in the papers and all that stuff. But before that, I think he has to go to the scale first. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys. I'm gonna sit on the front. Oh, we're going right now, my husband said. Look at that, guys. It's slippery because they don't plow. They plow the main road, but going into like this. Where's the main? It's Paragon Farm, shipping and receiving. So we're going to shipping and receiving. This is the way. We need to weigh.
138.
Slide axles and scales. See if you can see, guys. See those? That's the way. Can you see this thing? Let's see. That's the way.
You got a copy receipt?
Go ahead.
Hey, it's Starhawk. I'm coming in with a loader status.
Okay, so right there. 7,000.
934, there should be a number starting with a 454 or a 455 or a 453.
453, 457.
And what's your cell phone number?
715.
Now we're just gonna park and wait until they call us if the door is ready. But it's done, they already done weigh on the scale, right? Yeah. So there's some trucks right there too, you guys, waiting. Maybe they have to go before us. So my husband's gonna back up, and then I can get to see the seat on the front. Yeah, that's the door. See those green doors, but we can't go in there yet. They have to sign us or call us to what door we're going to deliver. So we're just gonna wait. Okay, and then my husband's backing up right now. Hello there, we took the dog out for a walk while waiting for our time, or when they call us to when they open the door for us. There's my husband. Say hi, honey. Ayan. Hi, guys. First day in 1 year that I haven't gone with my husband to go to work. So this time, hold on. Stella, wait for me, honey. Look at Stella. Okay, sorry guys, naputol. Naputol uli. Ayan, that's my husband right there with Molly. They just need to go for a walk. They are like kind of scared because they haven't been in a truck in a while. So, but they used to like it. They get used to it. Now they're kind of scared. Wait. What are you doing, Molly? Okay, Stella is panting. Where are you going, Panga? Are we gonna go back in now? Okay, let's go. Stella is panting. Look, it's reversed. Come on, sweetie. Let's go. Stella is cold, you guys. Come on. Okay, I have to pick up my dog, Stella, because I think her feet is... Because she has the thin foot pad. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys. There's Stella, you guys. We're still here. We're still waiting. We are still waiting. And there's Molly crying with Daddy. I'm going to clean up the truck when we're gonna take it home today. There's Stella. And there's truck right there waiting for... I think he's probably waiting for his turn too. And the one behind me, I don't want that to focus it, but let's see if I can.
Why are you crying?
Behind me.
Push off, honey.
Huh?
Press
Right.
off on the log.
It's our turn, you guys. Now they called us, so my husband is going to backing up. Let's see. Yeah, so he's gonna back up. To the door. This is where we at. We were parking here a while ago. Now we have the door. They called us to backing in on the door. I don't know what number, but so look at my husband's backing up. Stay there. So now my husband is going right there. If you guys can see in the back. He's going to open the back trailer, the door, before he back in all the way to the door, to the bay door or something, to the dock, I mean. And that way when it's open, they have something there that like you know, like well, I can't remember what you call that, but so that they can get in, you know, they can bring the pallet there, or the pallet jack, or so we're backing up. Stella right there. She's scared.
Scared of what, fella?
Just sit down, Panga. You're okay. And Molly's right there. She's scared too, but she's always next to me.
This guy must be tired.
Why?
Back to bed.
Ay. Yeah, now we know we are at the dock. That's why we had to open the door before we back in, and that way they can bring their the forklift in there to unload. I think we have potatoes in it, so when they're done unloading the potatoes, so my husband is going there. When we're done unloading the potatoes, see, there's a lot of trailers right there too, then we can go home. We're done unloading, guys, so we're on our way back to the yard to drop the trailer, and then my husband's gonna drive the bobtail home, and I'm gonna driving the other truck home, so that we need to clean the I'm going to clean his truck, so the bobtail. So I think he knows the shortcut. See, I will show you guys. My husband knows where the shortcut and all of that. So we're on the way home, and then we can start our day. So I will do the vlog again when we get to the yard, okay, to drop off the trailer. Okay, see you guys in a bit. See, is that cranberry fields, Panga? Or oh, those are potatoes. See, you guys, it's all frozen. I'm sorry, it's not a very good picture because it's a lot of, but look at all those the trees. It's all ice. It's all frozen. See, it looks so pretty in real though, but it doesn't show much in the picture. But I will do the best I can. And then there's a cranberry fields there. It's frozen also. You can't see anything. It's just all white. See, this is all the farm that during the summertime there's planter, probably potatoes and probably soybeans. Right there.
Soybeans, potatoes, corn.
Oh, potatoes, corn,
Cranberries.
and cranberries. See, now you can't see. It's all white. It's full of snow and frozen. All right, I gotta sit down, you guys, because I'm not supposed to be standing up while the truck is running. But yeah, look at all those white stuff on the side of the road. See, the road is clear because here in Wisconsin they always plow it, and then they put the salt or sand maybe, so that's why it's to prevent, you know, slippery, and it's for safety for everyone. Yeah, but the side, so the side is all white and frozen. That's their Stella right there. Yeah, Stella has a pillow all the time when she's sitting on the front seat. She's comfortable that way. There you go. So I'll get back to you guys when we get there. It's hard when I don't have the tripod. Okay, see you guys in a bit, okay? Hello again, guys. We're here at the yard. I'll show you guys. See, this is the Sparhawk yards. Look at all those trailers. So this is where we're going to drop the trailer. Yeah, this is where we came from early this morning. I didn't get to show you guys because it was dark. So my husband's going to drop the trailer, and it's gonna be loud. Where's my dog? So watch out. Yeah, I have to hold Molly because she gets scared of the sound. So we're backing up again. Backing up. So look at all those Stellas right there. This is the life of a truck driver, you guys.
Tight, tight. Blind side, tight.
So he's trying to back it in and a really tight. Probably, are we in between the other trailer or side? Oh yeah. I don't know how he does that, but I guess. Let's see. Right there. Oh, there's the guys right there. So we're parked. Now he has to go outside and unhook the trailer. Unhooked it so that he can drive the bobtail home. So I'll get back to you guys when we're ready to leave again. Okay, my husband is going to turn in his paper. So the office is right there. So he's gonna turn it in, and then I guess he's gonna drive me back to where the truck, the other truck parks, so that we can both go home. But I'll be driving the small truck and I'll be driving this bobtail. So okay guys, well, I'll continue the vlog when I get home. And thank you. Hold on. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope na nasatisfied kayo sa aking vlog today. And sorry na mga putol-putol, but anyway, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like and share. Click the notification below para ma-update kayo guys sa mga videos pa na i-upload ko, okay? Thank you again and happy Monday. God bless. Hi guys, now my husband is right on the front, and Stella and I were driving together, and Mali is with Daddy. So now we are going home. So it's kind of slippery. Yeah. We're going home, Stella. You're okay, Panga. Just sit down. Yeah, so it is clear, the road, but it's kind of still slippery a little bit. So I need to drive really careful and kind of slow. I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's clear. See, it's sunny too. So that was our trip for today, and just like 3 or 4 hours. So we're done working today. We're gonna go home and fix something to eat. We're both hungry. We had breakfast this morning, toast and egg and hash brown, but now we're hungry. So I'm thinking about cooking something, probably in the pressure cooker for our lunch, or probably for dinner, something. I don't know. I have to fix something for the quick because my husband's hungry. So see, my husband is going to the, I don't know if he's going the same way where I'm going, Because he has the bobtail. Oh yeah, he's going the same way I'm going. Alright guys, so we end this vlog now. Thank you for watching.